Welcome to class upper KG. This is our maths period and today is Wednesday 16 December 2020. Firstly we will do oral drill. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Now we will do the oral drill of shapes. Which shape is this? Triangle. What is the spelling of triangle? Tri, tri, A-N-N-G-L-E, triangle. Oval, O-V-A-L, oval. Circle, C-I-R, cir, C-L-E, circle. Rectangle, R-E-C-T, rect, A-N-N-G-L-E, rectangle. And last one is square, S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Now we will do the oral drill of table of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. Today is Wednesday, W-E-D wet, N-E-S T-Y day, Wednesday, 16 December, D-E-C-E-M-M-B-E-R, December, which year is going? 2020. Today our topic is number in words 80 to 100. Explain. First of all, we will do activity. So, okay class, tell me which number is this? This is 80. And what is the spelling of 80? E-I-G-H-T-Y, 80. What comes after 80? 81. Now tell me the spelling of 81. E-I-G-H-A-T-Y-T, 80. O-N-E-1, 81. What comes after 81? 82. And what is the spelling of 82? E-I-G-H-A-T-Y-T, 80. What is the spelling of 2? T-W-O, 2. What comes after 82? 83. What is the spelling of 83? E-I-G-H-A-T-Y-T, 80. T-H-R-E-E, 3. 83. What comes after 83? 84. What is the spelling of 84? E-I-G-H-A-T-Y-T, 80. F-O-U-R, 4. 84. And what comes after 84? 85. What is the spelling of 85? E-I-G-H-A-T-Y-T, 80. F-I-V-E, 5. 85. Okay, let's start. First our number is 80. E-I-G-H-A-T-Y-T, 80. 81. E-I-G-H-A-T-Y-T, 80. O-N-E-1, 81. 82. E-I-G-H-A-T-Y-T, 80. T-W-O, 2. 82. 83. E-I-G-H-A-T-Y-T, 80. T-H-R-E-E, 3. 83. 84. E-I-G-H-A-T-Y-T, 80. F-O-U-R, 4. 84. 85. E-I-G-H-A-T-Y-T, 80. F-I-V-E, 5. 85. 86. E-I-G-H-A-T-Y-T, 80. S-I-X, 6. 86. 87. E-I-G-H-A-T-Y-T, 80. S-C-V-E-N, 7. 88. E-I-G-H-A-T-Y-T, 80. E-I-G-H-T, 8. 88. 89. E-I-G-H-A-T-Y-T, 80. N-I-N-E, 9. 89. 90. N-I-N-E, 9. T-Y-T, 90. 91. N-I-N-E, 9. T-Y-T, 90. O-N-E-1, 91. 92. N-I-N-E, 9. T-Y-T, 90. T-W-O, 2. 92. 93. N-I-N-E, 9. T-Y-T, 90. T-H-R-E-E, 3. 93. 94. N-I-N-E, 9. T-Y-T, 90. F-O-U-R, 4. 95. N-I-N-E, 9. T-Y-T, 90. F-I-V-E, 5. 95. 96. N-I-N-E, 9. T-Y-T, 90. S-I-X, 6. 96. 97. N-I-N-E, 9. T-Y-T, 90. S-C-V-E-N, 7. 97. 98. N-I-N-E, 9. T-Y-T, 90. E-I-G-H-T, 8. 98. 99. N-I-N-E, 9. T-Y-T, 90. N-I-N-E, 9. 99. 100. H-U-N-D, R-E-D, red, 100. Okay, let's come to the copywork. First of all, you will write the date, Wednesday, 16 December, 2020. Then you will write the topic, number in words 80 to 100. Then you will write here work, number in words 80 to 100. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.